guys, what are my lovely friends up to today?
Hi, Seven.
Hi guys, what are my lovely friends up to today?
Hi, Green Seven.
Green 7?
Well, hey there, good looking.
My name's Seven.
My name's 7 too. Small.
Your name is 72?
Oh no, my fault. I mean, my name is 7.
Yeah, your name is 72.
It's 14! He's bringing 17 2 sevens!
Wait, what?
You got me. That was my evil plan all along. Go ahead. I'll message 50 back to your cell. I'm just a warrior at this point. I've never beaten these people's skin.
No, I'm normal 7.
Yeah, right. If you're the real 7, we know. Take it away, boys!
Please, let me go. You can't do this to me. I'm innocent, please.
Oh, gosh!